Meaning of ephemeral.
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 Ephemeral. Ephemeral refers to something that has a very short lifespan, lasting for only a brief period of time. It is often used to describe things that are fleeting or transitory, such as the beauty of a sunset or the passing nature of youth. The term can also be applied to things that are highly perishable or rapidly changing, such as certain types of art or technology. In essence, anything that is ephemeral is characterized by its impermanence and the sense that it will not last long.